Hey, what's up YouTube? Got a little unboxing here to do, so let's go ahead and see what we got. As you can see, we got some NVX 6.5 kits, the VSP line, nice component speakers, and we got the NVX jad800.4. And if you check out the dyno videos of these online, they do rated power. So we got owner's manual, some fuses, some junk, oversized input terminals, which is really nice that an amp supplies these. Thank you, NVX, for being awesome like that. Get this out of here. And it's encased in plastic. Really nice. And these are from 8 gauge to 4 gauge. And yeah, you're not going to fit 1/0 in there, but it will fit properly over oversized wire. There's some 2 gauge. Yeah, that'd fit in there. Definitely. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Get that out of here. So as you can see, it is small 8 gauge terminals to start with, but they give you that adapter so you can actually put nice size wire in here. 8 gauge for all your speaker. All the crossovers and shit are over here. And it's a heavy, small amp. I mean, not a very big amp, but it's definitely powerful for its size. If you've seen my videos before of the micro amps, they're like, oh, from there to here, tiny, like fit in your pocket, like, yeah, that size. And they put out rated power too. Amazing what NVX's small amps put out for power. So yep. Thanks for watching, and I'll do some videos when this stuff gets installed.